Hey, what's going on? My name is Frank John, Janitorial Coaching Hub. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of belonging to a community of cleaning service providers. The mistakes I've seen a lot of cleaning service providers who are getting started make is that they assume that cleaning is just about just cleaning. Cleaning is technical, but have you considered the operational aspect of it? Have you considered the business aspect of it? Because you can be a cleaning service provider who come into the business thinking that it's just about cleaning, but you're not thinking about the business aspect, how to manage people. For example, if you have a tile floor to clean and you think that just mopping it is just going to make the tile look good, you may be wrong. You may need something, a burnisher, the different pad to make the tile shine. If you think a Windex is all you need to clean a glass cleaner, a glass door, you may be wrong because again, the glass door may have dirt on it that will require you to use something maybe stronger than a Windex. The point I'm trying to make is that I encourage, in the Janitorial Coaching Hub, we encourage people to join a network because that is how you can grow. Have you considered how to find your cleaners? Where do you find your cleaners? How do you manage your staff? Are you going to do a W-9 or W-2? What are you going to do? How do you pay your staff? If there are issues with your staff, how do you identify the solution? When you join a network of cleaning service providers, you can feed from them. And you can also feed them. You can give them some of the tricks that you've learned, some of the solutions that you've come up with, and you can take from them. I have benefited from that. It is why we encourage people who again started to check out us, the Janitorial Coaching Hub, because we are a community that can be able to help you grow. We can be able to help you establish your cleaning service company. Even if you don't want to join Janitorial Coaching Hub, which is free, by the way, Facebook has so many networks that you can join because you will make a mistake to think that cleaning is just about just wiping, dusting, or there's more to it. How do you maintain certain accounts? If you have a client that is always complaining about one thing, how do you resolve that issue so that the client will learn to appreciate the value you bring and you will learn to appreciate the value they bring? If you have a staff who's not showing up, what apps are you using? It's a thing. I know I have benefited from the community I'm in. And today we want to welcome you to join the Janitorial Coaching Hub. Our objectives are just three. We help cleaning service providers build, grow, and establish their cleaning companies by giving them useful tools that will make them successful. We hope you can join us soon. You can call us at 857-334-8860. My name is Frank John. It's a pleasure to have you with us. See you around.